Aeromobile 4. The Aeromobile 4 represents a groundbreaking innovation in personal transportation, seamlessly combining the capabilities of a high-performance car with the freedom of flight. Featured in its official video, the Aeromobile 4 showcases its elegant design, advanced aerodynamics, and transformative engineering that redefines mobility. With the ability to switch between drive and flight modes in under 3 minutes, it offers unprecedented versatility for both urban and intercity travel. Equipped with a powerful hybrid engine, lightweight carbon fiber body, and fully retractable wings, the Aeromobile 4 meets both road and air safety standards. The video highlights its smooth takeoff, agile maneuverability, and luxurious cockpit experience, emphasizing its role in shaping the future of personal transport. More than a concept, Aeromobile 4 is a fully functional vehicle developed with real-world application in mind, targeting early adopters, innovators, and those seeking the next leap in smart, efficient, and flexible travel solutions.
Cruvo, some channels, and that has been forward. A Visaria marketing morning that the Sina gross Klein, easy to represents asking con, in a mobility or filed so wait. This incurring a said, presigned to the values of tonnage raises a feel, to remobile informda, of long round peels, Astor's smart responds, a new Maxacuity in ears. As a truve up a time, a meeting discussing environment to deceive towards from cruisables. A daily in cruisables is in a higher emission land into autonomous of luxury travel. To demand on cruise up the prayer for associating cloud an important fearing in the decade.
eHang 184. The eHang 184 is the world's first fully autonomous electric passenger drone, developed by Chinese company eHang to usher in the era of urban air mobility. Debuting at CES 2016, this sleek quadcopter about the size of a compact car carries a single passenger via 8 propellers mounted on 4 folding arms, enabling vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) without the need for runways. Constructed from carbon fiber epoxy composites and aluminum alloy, the eHang 184 houses an F1-style seat, air conditioning, in-flight Wi-Fi, and a touchscreen for destination input. Once entered, the aircraft takes off, flies and lands autonomously under the supervision of a 24/7 smart command and control center. No pilot's license required. Performance specs include a cruising speed of 100 to 130 kilometers per hour, 62 to 80 miles per hour, a range of approximately 20 kilometers, 12 miles, and a flight time of around 23 minutes on a full charge. eHang has demonstrated the drone carrying real passengers, including officials and the CEO, through over 1,000 test flights in various conditions, including fog and 4/7 winds. Safety is a top priority. The drone features redundant flight systems, encrypted communication, and a fail-safe that automatically lands the aircraft if a malfunction is detected. Passengers can also initiate an emergency hover and landing with a single button. While regulatory and certification challenges remain, particularly in Western markets, eHang has initiated test programs in China, Nevada, and Dubai. With a projected price between $200,000 to $300,000, the eHang 184 is positioning itself as a precedent-setting model for individual aerial taxis, signaling a transformational shift in personal mobility. J2000 Flying Car. Introducing the J2000 Flying Car, a revolutionary leap in personal transportation that merges the practicality of an automobile with the freedom of flight. Designed with advanced aerodynamics, lightweight materials, and cutting-edge propulsion technology, the J2000 offers seamless transition between ground and air travel. Capable of vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, this futuristic vehicle eliminates the need for runways, making it ideal for urban and intercity mobility. The J2000 features a hybrid electric powertrain, intelligent navigation systems, and a sleek, cockpit-inspired interior for maximum comfort and control. Built with safety, sustainability, and convenience in mind, it is engineered to meet both aviation and road safety standards. Whether commuting above traffic or exploring remote destinations, The J2000 is set to redefine how we move. More than just a concept, it's a bold step toward the future of accessible aerial mobility, where the sky is no longer the limit, but the beginning of the journey. Jetson 1. The Jetson 1 official launch marks a defining moment in personal electric aviation. Launched in October 2021, the Jetson 1 is a single-seat, ultralight eVTOL, crafted to democratize flight. Constructed with an aluminum space frame and carbon Kevlar body, this innovative craft is powered by 8 electric motors and high-discharge lithium-ion batteries, delivering up to 20 minutes of flight time and a top speed of 102 km. In the official launch video, test pilot and CTO Tomas Patan demonstrates the Jetson 1's intuitive 4-axis joystick, confirming it can be mastered in mere minutes, true to the company's ethos of making everyone a pilot. The video also highlights the craft safely hovering hands-free and flying over water, proof that this is no mere concept but a fully functional vehicle. Safety is engineered into every element: a race car-style safety cell, motor redundancy to maintain flight even if one fails, LiDAR-aided auto-hover, auto-landing features, and a ballistic parachute system provide multiple layers of protection. With limited production units sold out for 2022 and orders underway for 2023, priced around $92,000 Esbroger with a $22,000 deposit, the Jetson 1 is rapidly gaining traction globally. Manufactured in Arezzo, Italy, and now backed by major investors, including Will.i.am, the Jetson 1 stands as a bold step toward accessible personal flight, pioneering the future of urban air mobility. The Klein Vision Air Car, a trailblazing flying car prototype, achieved its maiden flight in late 2020, marking a pivotal moment in aviation and automotive fusion. Designed by Professor Stefan Klein in Slovakia, this 2-seater sports car-style vehicle seamlessly transforms into a fixed-wing aircraft in just under 3 minutes, activating wings and an extended tail with the simple push of a button. Powered by a BMW-based internal combustion engine and built from lightweight composite materials, the air car completed its first inner-city flight on June 28, 2021, a 35-minute journey from Nitra to Bratislava, while still operating as a road vehicle before takeoff. Since then, it has successfully logged over 170 flight hours, more than 500 takeoffs, landings, and received European airworthiness certification in January 2022. Latest developments unveiled in May 2025 include a production-ready prototype featuring a 280, 340 horsepower petrol engine, rapid transformation in under 2 minutes, top speeds of around 155 miles per hour air and 124 miles per hour road, and a flight range of up to 621 miles, 1,000 kilometers. Klein Vision plans to begin customer deliveries in early 2026, priced at approximately $800,000, $1 million. The air car embodies an extraordinary leap in personal mobility, merging certified airplane performance with everyday driving convenience. Its automatic, user-friendly transformation system, certified safety measures, and real-world intercity flights signal that the age of consumer-accessible flying cars is finally approaching. Lift Aircraft. Lift Aircraft, based in Austin, Texas, is democratizing flight through its flagship Hexa, an innovative single-seat eVTOL designed for simplicity, safety, and fun. Hexa features an 18-motor distributed electric propulsion system built on a carbon fiber airframe weighing just 432 pounds, classifying it as an FAA Part 103 ultralight, no pilot's license required. The user-friendly design relies on a single 3-axis joystick, triply redundant autopilot, and touchscreen-enabled auto-hover mode. It can sustain flight with up to 6 motor failures and is equipped with a ballistic parachute, autonomous return to home, and collision avoidance systems for enhanced safety. With approximately 15 minutes of flight time, a top speed near 55 knots, and amphibious landing capability using foam-filled floats, Hexa is positioned as a versatile, low-altitude recreational and training platform. Lyft has logged over 4,700 customer flights, launched pay-per-flight experiences across the U.S., and demonstrated Hexa internationally in Japan in collaboration with Marubeni. Under the U.S. Air Force's Agility Prime initiative, Lyft is developing use cases for eVTOLs in medical transport, cargo delivery, and rapid response scenarios, earning certifications and contracts that affirm Hexa's operational potential. By blending advanced drone-based technologies with accessible training, Lyft Aircraft is pioneering an experiential flight model, turning the once-distant dream of personal flight into reality and paving the way for personal aviation's future.
Pivotal's Blackfly.
Pivotal's Blackfly is a revolutionary personal eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing, aircraft that represents a bold step toward the future of individual air mobility. Engineered for simplicity, efficiency, and sustainability, the Blackfly is a fully electric, single-seat flyer designed for short-distance travel with zero emissions. Its lightweight, fixed-wing design and intuitive joystick controls make it easy to operate, requiring no pilot's license under FAA Part 103 ultralight regulations. Capable of speeds up to 62 miles per hour and a range of 20 to 40 miles, the Blackfly is built for real-world practicality, offering quiet, smooth flight with enhanced safety features including triple redundant flight systems and geofencing. Developed by Pivotal, formerly Opener, the Blackfly has completed over 55,000 test flights and continues to demonstrate the potential of personal electric aviation. With its futuristic vision, Blackfly is paving the way for accessible, low-altitude flight, bringing the dream of flying closer to everyday reality. Samson Switchblade. The Samson Switchblade flying car is finally ready for takeoff, marking a historic advancement in personal air mobility. Designed as a street-legal, three-wheeled vehicle that transforms into a compact aircraft, the Switchblade offers unmatched versatility and convenience. Powered by a 190-horsepower liquid-cooled engine, it can reach airspeeds up to 200 miles per hour and fly at altitudes of 13,000 feet, while also performing as a high-performance sports car on the road. Its wings and tail retract seamlessly into the body, enabling easy transition between driving and flying modes within minutes. Built with a focus on safety, innovation, and luxury, the Switchblade includes an advanced avionics suite, robust composite construction, and an optional parachute recovery system. After years of rigorous engineering and FAA ground testing, Samson Sky's Switchblade is entering the final stages of flight testing, bringing the dream of practical personal flight closer to reality. This is a bold step into the future of transportation.
PALV.
Personal Air and Land Vehicle. The PAL-V, Personal Air and Land Vehicle, represents a groundbreaking milestone in the evolution of transportation, merging the freedom of flight with the practicality of road travel. Developed in the Netherlands, the PAL-V Liberty is the world's first commercial flying car, designed to meet both aviation and automotive standards. It features a dual-engine system, a Rotax-powered gyrocopter for air travel, and a sleek three-wheeled vehicle for the road. Transitioning from driving to flying mode takes just a few minutes, offering unmatched flexibility and mobility. With a top flying speed of 180 kilometers per hour, 112 miles per hour, and a range of up to 500 kilometers, 310 miles, the PAL-V is ideal for inner-city travel without the limitations of traffic. Built with safety, performance, and innovation at its core, it meets EASA and road certification processes. The PAL-V journey marks a transformative shift toward personal air mobility, turning a long-standing dream into a certified road and air-ready reality. UDX Airwolf Hoverbike. The UDX Airwolf Hoverbike teaser marks an extraordinary leap in personal eVTOL technology, where the thrill of motorcycling meets the freedom of flight. Introduced by Czech startup UDX Research, the teaser showcases a design with 4 individually tilting electric ducted fans and tandem wings, delivering agile hover capability and efficient cruise performance. Capable of reaching speeds up to 230 kilometers per hour, 143 miles per hour, and accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 3 seconds. The Airwolf has an operational range of around 66 kilometers, 41 miles, and flight endurance of roughly 25 minutes. Built on a lightweight carbon fiber composite frame, and powered by battery packs, sourced from Tesla, it achieves a high strength-to-weight ratio while maintaining environmental friendliness. Safety is engineered in with distributed electric propulsion, DEP, and redundancy across key subsystems to mitigate the risk of single-point failures. The open tandem cockpit accommodates one pilot and one passenger, echoing a futuristic motorcycle riding experience. UDX aims for commercial availability by 2028, with a projected price tag of around €350,000, $383,000, and envisions applications in recreation, urban mobility, and search and rescue. Flying the Airwolf will require appropriate licensing, ultralight permit in Europe or sport pilot certificate in the US. XPeng X2. The XPeng X2, a fifth-generation eVTOL flying car by XPeng Aerohad, is charting a groundbreaking path toward urban air mobility. This sleek two-seater boasts a fully enclosed carbon fiber cockpit with a minimalist aerodynamic teardrop design, achieving zero CO2 emissions and optimized for low-altitude city operations. With 8 electric motors and an octocopter configuration, it offers propulsion redundancy, a 35-minute flight endurance, and a top speed of 130 kilometers per hour over altitudes up to 1,000 meters. The X2 supports both manual piloting and autonomous mode. Passengers can initiate takeoff, cruise, and landing at a single touch. Safety is paramount. The craft includes distributed propulsion, multi-layer redundancy, environmental sensing, remote monitoring, autonomous return, and an emergency ballistic parachute. XPeng secured China's first crewed eVTOL flight permit, 2023, and achieved its debut public demonstration at GITX Dubai 2022 under DCAA approval, completing a 90-second flight with commendable stability. It later completed a 1.5-kilometer cross-river flight in Changsha, reinforcing readiness for commercial deployment in 2025. With over 4,000 test flights, including high-altitude trials at 4,180 meters. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.